Hi, welcome to Healthy Dog, Happy Dog. Today, we will be having a conversation about the benefits of pumpkin for your dog. Naturally low in calories and salt is pumpkin pulp. Pumpkin pulp is naturally rich in potassium, vitamin C and E, and the antioxidants beta-carotene and lutein, which support healthy skin and coat and eyes. It has a lot of vitamin A in particular. Is it okay to give your dog pumpkin every day? Certainly, giving your dog pumpkin on a daily basis is normally safe. To make sure the right dosage is given for your pet's unique requirements, you must watch how much pumpkin you give your dog and speak with your veterinarian. What does pumpkin do for a dog? It's a highly nutrient-dense treat since it includes fiber and other micronutrients. In addition to its natural calming effect on the stomach, pumpkin aids in the elimination of surplus water from a dog's digestive system. Pumpkins have long been used by pet owners to help their dogs experience less constipation and diarrhea. Does pumpkin help dogs with itchy skin? Pumpkins, whether raw, cooked, pureed, or in seeds, are a good source of vitamin E, which helps strengthen your dog's natural defenses against skin irritations like itching, and even helps ward off naughty parasites like mites from feeding on their delicate, sensitive skin. Does pumpkin help dogs' immune system? It can strengthen your dog's immune system and is a strong source of vitamins A and C. Additionally beneficial for both weight loss and maintaining a healthy weight is pumpkin. So be sure to include pumpkin in your dog's food if you're looking for a strategy to keep them happy and healthy. Can pumpkins cause problems in dogs? Dogs can tolerate raw pumpkins rather well, although it can disrupt their digestive tract. While it's doubtful that your dog will suffer from serious gastrointestinal distress if they manage to sneak some pumpkin guts during family pumpkin carving, you should still keep all pumpkins away from dogs due to the choking threat posed by the skin, stems, and leaves. How many times a week should I give my dog pumpkin? Generally speaking, feeding your dog 1 to 4 tablespoons of canned pumpkin each day is advised. The size of the dog affects how much pumpkin is used. Small dogs so typically require less than large dogs. The reason you are giving your dog canned pumpkin may also have an impact. At the end of the day, your dog will love you for it, and remember, healthy dog, happy dog. Thanks for watching and subscribe to the channel.